Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so pleased that you decided to spend some time with me today. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad to have you here and I hope that you will subscribe before you leave. Join me for another video. I make videos all about women's clothing. So if you like that, you'll be right at home here. Today I have a Fashom box. I know some of you are saying, didn't you just open a Fashom box? And yes, I did. But I ordered another one without really realizing that I was doing that. I'll tell you about that in just a moment. But if you're new to Fashom and have never tried it, I will leave all the details in the description bar below, as well as my referral link. So with Fashom, you get your first 2 style boxes absolutely free. And if you use my link, you'll get $10 in credit as well. So risk-free to try a brand new service. And I think you might like it because I am really coming around and loving Fashom. My last Fashom box was fabulous. And when I went to check out, at the very end, it says leave notes or request for your stylist. I did that, and that prompted another box. I didn't realize I was doing that, but within a couple days, I received a preview. They send a preview of the clothing the stylist has selected for you, and out of that preview, you pick 5 things and they will send it to you. If you don't pick 5 things, the stylist will pick them for you, and then they send it on. And this box, again, came very quickly. I'm quite impressed with all of the improvements at Fashom. Let's get into this and see what my stylist said. This is my box, and with Fashom, postage is free both ways. I will use this mailer bag to return anything that doesn't work for me. I just drop it off at the post office at no charge. And then there's an envelope with all the information I need to know, as well as the price list. That's all in here. I'll look at this last. And here is my bundle. Let's check it out. I have 2 bundles. What do we have? This is beautiful. I mean, it feels beautiful. I love the way that this feels. This is like a wobbly fleece. Can you see that type of jacket? And okay, it's going to be a bomber length. Let's see these pockets here. Are the pockets are stitched shut right now, so I won't open those unless I decide to keep them. And then we have that trim down the front with these great big buttons. That is cool, and I love this big collar. This is really cute. Let me see if it's lined. Would you look at that? It is actually lined, which I really appreciate in a jacket. I don't know why they send me jackets that aren't lined because I really don't like them. This looks amazing to me. We also have that ribbing around the cuff, so there is a little bit of a color variation there, which is kind of nice. I like this right off the bat. It feels amazing. And then the big bundle of clothing. I'm so happy to see these bright colors, but what is this? Oh, this looks like this could be a dress. And I don't know. What's the brand? The brand is Emma's Closet. Oh my gosh, they sent a size small, which I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work for me, but it does look like a short dress or a long tunic. I love the color right off the bat. I love the color. It does seem a little bit like springtime though. Looks like a 3/4 length sleeve. What's the bottom look like? A rounded bottom, maybe a little bit longer in the back. I'm not sure about this one. Next we have a pair of denim, and these are D jeans. These are super high waist skinny jeans, and they have stretch in them. And there's a little bit of distressing in the wash on the seat of the pants, but they look like a really clean denim. D Jeans is a brand that I have never tried before. Let's see if there's stretch in the, oh, there's a lot of stretch. These look promising. Okay, the front pockets are stitched shut, but the coin pocket is operable. Okay. I'm always happy to try affordable denim, and I think these are affordable. The next thing we have is, this is like a hoodie that is almost like a terry cloth fabric. So I like the texture in this. This is a green color, which is nice. I don't have anything in this color, so this feels really nice. It is not thin, and it's got that silky terry fabric. There's a rounded hemline there, and we do have a kangaroo pocket. There's a hood, so that could be cute. We'll have to see. It looks like it's going to fit. I mean, it's plenty long. What size did they send in this? Who knows? This looks great for just kicking around the house. I like this. I like this. This is 143 store. I like the colors. This is a nice fall winter colors. We have black, we have teal, we have mustard, cream colored, some burgundy in it. This is a fabulous colored stripes, all sorts of stripes, and it buttons up. Yeah, and that's a true button up. Oh, and there's a tie at the front. Let's see, what's the bottom look like? A little bit of a rounded bottom. Okay, I normally like the tie front tops. Let's see how this works out. It looks like it's going to be a V-neck. Again, this box looks so promising. Inside my Hello Beautiful envelope is my invoice. And it's cool because the prices are next to pictures of the items, so it's very easy to figure out. I also put all the instructions in the envelope, so if you're uncertain of what to do next, it's right here for you. My stylist left a note. She says, "Hi Kelly, happy Fashom Day. I'm so excited for you to open this box full of colorful winter wear pieces. I think you will love from our latest Fashom collection. I will be sure to tune into your next video to see how everything fits and what you end up loving in this box." Oh, that's so cool. Thanks for watching. Hope to style you again soon. XOXO Malls. So Malls is my stylist, and I think she did a pretty good job. I do have some fit issues with this box. So let's start off with this Paper Moon hoodie. I like a lot of things about this hoodie. I love the fabric. This is really a very silky fabric, that terry cloth feel fabric. I like the color, I like the cut, I like the fabric. I just wish it was one size up. This is a size medium, which is my true size, but I felt like it was a little bit short. This is a piece that I would wear to lounge around the house or maybe to run errands in, and I would probably have something on underneath it. And that's why I would want a size large in this to make it just a little bit longer and a little bit bigger through the body. This is only $31, so this is a piece I might consider sizing up. This is so different from anything else I have, and that's why I would really like to add this one to my wardrobe. Next up is the striped top. This is by 143 Story. I liked this immediately upon pulling it out of the box. So I like all the colors in it. It's fun and colorful, and it's just got so many great colors to wear this fall. I like the V-neck. That is normally a flattering cut for me. I did feel a little bit of gapping right on that first button around the chest, and that can be fixed very easily by just putting a stitch or another button right there, because I'm considering keeping this one. This is a polyester spandex blend, so this will not shrink, and it's going to wear really well. It won't wrinkle. I don't mind the tie in front, but I also think this is another great one to do a front tuck with. The price on this one is $37, and I did notice they sent this in a size small. I am considering exchanging it for a medium because that's my size. I don't expect this will shrink, but I think maybe if I had it in my true size, I would be more comfortable in it. Next up is the D jeans, and these were perfect. I'm really surprised. I'm so glad I got to try a brand of denim that I've never tried before, and I think these worked very nicely. They're really a nice stretchy denim, and they did not bind or pull anywhere. That is one of the things I really like about them. They were marvelous, and the length was good for me too, which is nice because these were plenty long. If I chose to wear them with a pump, they work fine. I don't have to roll them. I like the wash on these. I like everything about them. I'm going to keep these, and hopefully I can report back to you on how I like them once I've worn them a few times. Next up is the modal cotton dress, and the things I like about this dress, I like the color, I like the feel of the fabric. It's far too clingy and thin for me, even to wear as a tunic. I'm sure that's why they sent it to me, because it would be too short of a dress for me. The price is good, $37, and I have to send this back. I'm really not interested in styling this in any way, whether that be a dress or a tunic, but it's a pretty color, would be a nice color to wear in the spring, but this is going back. And the Skies Are Blue jacket, this like faux fur, I mean, the feel of this jacket is heavenly. I really like the way it feels. But I was a little bit disappointed when I put it on. I don't normally wear shorter length jackets like bomber style, and had this been in a size larger, they sent this in a size medium. If they had sent a large or an extra large and I would have had some extra room to wear a sweater or long sleeve shirt underneath, I don't know, maybe it would have felt different, but I just wasn't impressed with the fit on me. In fact, it was a little tight in the back. And this is $54. And another thing is the buttons are just a little bit difficult to button and unbutton. And I'm thinking about it practically. If I was to wear this, it's like that's a lot of buttoning up just to go out in the cold. And I'm wondering how often I would wear it just completely open. I didn't really like the look of it completely open. I really like this jacket. I just don't like it on me. I'm really kind of sad about that, but I think the jacket would need to have extra length for me to like the way that it looks on me. It's my Fashom box, and I liked 4 of the 5 items that were sent to me. I'm going to keep the denim. I want to try the denim. I'm always up to try new and affordable denim and share that with my viewers if I truly like them once I wear them. Now the other piece, I love the stripe top. I'm wondering, should I size up? Should I get a bigger size in that one? And the hoodie. I like the hoodie. It has to be larger for me to be comfortable wearing it. And the jacket, I'm afraid the jacket is just a miss because of the length. I love the jacket. It's really an adorable jacket. It just doesn't look that good on me, but that's okay. I consider this box a success because I was able to keep 1 item. But if I decide to keep 3 items, I get a 25% discount. The box total, if I purchased everything, is only $203. The 25% discount, if you purchase 3 or more items, is $50.75, which brings the total of this box to $152.25. Yay. I love the affordable prices at Fashom. Unfortunately, everything didn't work in this box, but that's okay. I'm very pleased with the jeans, and maybe I will pick up a top. Let me know what you think about the striped top, about the hoodie, and even about the jacket, that cute jacket. Oh, thank you very much for watching. I'm so glad that you joined me for another unboxing and try-on. I always enjoy hearing what you think about the clothes, so please leave your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. 2 more days, I will share some more clothing with you, so make sure that you're subscribed and tap the bell so you'll get a notification when my video is published. I'll see you then. Blessings to you.